Hi, it's Grandma Annie and Freddy here. So happy New Year. We thought we'd make fireworks in a bowl today. Have you ever done that? It's a really fun science experiment. So when I was a teacher, we used to call it magic milk. So here we go. So all you have to do, you have to have milk. And so we put it in 3 different bowls because we wanted to make it like fireworks. So we're going to put some red, few drops. I don't have any blue. We're going to put some yellow. Oops, we forgot this one. This is a real fun science experiment. You know what makes it work? We have dish soap here, and when it touches the milk, the fat in the milk wants to get together with the dishwashing soap and play, and it makes everything move. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna do it. Okay, we got dishwashing soap. You ready, Freddy? Watch this, it's really fun. Whoa, watch this one. Woo! Woo! It's like fireworks. And then I thought it'd be really fun to do a painting too. So all I did was I wrapped some paper towel around this potato masher, and we're gonna push it in there. Whoa, look at that. Freddie really likes that. Look at that, Freddie. Isn't it pretty? And here's one we did before. It really turned out nice. We let that one dry. Okay, so we're wishing you a very happy New Year. Have fun. See you tomorrow.